Morning, dear student. Today I will discuss to you first chapter, the fundamental unit of life. Last topic we are discussed ribosomes. Ribosomes forms protein synthesis. That means to form a cell. Ribosomes are found in living cells since these are in site of protein synthesis. That means you can say that the ribosome's main functions in cell to site of protein synthesis. Each ribosome consists of a smaller and larger unit, but their composition is different in prokaryotes and eukaryotes. In prokaryotes, ribosomes are of 70s. That means 30s is smaller and 50s is larger. First of all, you know S. S is a sedimentation coefficient, that is categorize the number of ribosomes 70s. In eukaryotes, ribosomes are of 80s type. Smaller unit is 40s and larger unit is 60s. That is given the chart. Smaller unit 30s plus larger unit 50s in prokaryotic cell, and overall 70s ribosomes are found in prokaryotic cell. And the second stage, small unit is 40s and large unit is 60s in eukaryotic set. That means we can say that 80s ribosomes are found in eukaryotic cells. And we discussed next cell organelles, vacuoles. Vacuoles are storage sac for solid, liquid material of the cell. These are large single membrane bound body which are present in cytoplasm of the cell. These are mainly found in plant cell. Their size is very large in plant cell. The central vacuole of some plant cell is so large that is occupy 50 to 90% of cell volume. In animal cell, vacuole size is very small, and we discuss the function of vacuole. Vacuole storage mainly cell shape and provide turgidity and rigidity to the cell. Many important minerals, salt and other soluble substances are stored within the vacuole. Vacuole maintains the concentration of salt and water in the cell. Vacuole also stores amino acid, protein, sugar and some organic acid. In many unicellular organisms like amoeba, paramecium, vacuoles are found as food vacuole. They help in the digestion of food particles. In such organisms, a specialized vacuole are found which are responsible for elimination of excess of water and waste form of the cell. And we discussed in chart step by step summary of cellular functions, that means cell constituents and their function. First of all, we discuss cell membrane. The main function of cell membrane, regulation of process of material into out of the cell. And the second, cell wall. Cell wall provide protection and maintenance of cell. Nucleus. The nucleus main function contain most of the hereditary material like DNA, that means dinucleic acid of the cell. Nucleolus. Inside the nucleus, its main function involved in the synthesis of ribosomes which then travel to the cytoplasm. And next cells organelles, endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum main function synthesis and intracellular storage and transport of material such as carbohydrate, protein, and steroids. Golgi body, that means dictyosomes. The main function of dictyosomes synthesis and secretion, that means outside of the cell, of materials such as carbohydrates and protein. And the next cell organelles, mitochondria. The main function of mitochondria, that means chemical energy in the form of ATP, that means adenosine triphosphate, form organic material for use by rest of cell respiration. And the next cell, chloroplast. The main function of chloroplast, synthesis of organic materials using light as the energy source. That means you can say that the process of photosynthesis. And the next cell organelle, centriole. The main function of centriole, a group of microtubules which provide the base on which a flagellum can develop. Next cell organelle, flagellum, that means cilium. The main function of flagellum provides motility primarily of single cell organism. Where an organism has more than two flagella, each is known as cilium. And next, ribosomes. The main function of ribosomes to site a protein synthesis of the cell. Vacuole. The main function of vacuole is storage of substance like plants and the site of digestion of particular food, that means food vacuole in lower animals. Thank you.